Well, I'm so glad that I knew and I'm a part of Bill Gove. He's a part of my life. You are the same today you'll be in 5 years, except for two things: the people you meet and books you read. And Billy Gove was a book. He was a living book. He's a person that just became a part of your life. I knew him long before I met him and heard him. But in I guess the middle 60s, I was on a program with him. First time I was on a program in Minneapolis with he and Willie Gale. Willie Gale from Alabama, and of course Bill the New Englander, and me, young and green. And I'll tell you, one of the greatest experiences of my life. But then as the years went by, we had many, many fun times, but then many serious times. And then I got to see the real Bill Gove underneath all the fun. And then on top of all of his great wit and wisdom, there's cassettes, and of course in those days records. But I think he's the only speaker that I ever listened to one talk 5 consecutive times and still listen to it. The people love to buy the one on time. They become a part of your life. Such truth and simplicity. And so I'm just so glad that God put Bill into my life as an encourager, role model, hero, and mentor. Thank you, Bill, for being so tremendous. We love you.